under 8EEA2, where we're evaluating square roots of small perfect squares and cube roots of small perfect cubes. This is a word problem. Sarah has a gift box with a volume of 64 cubic inches. Volume is 64 cubic inches. Okay, let's get a pen so we can write with this. Your volume is 64 cubic inches. The length, width, and height of the box are Y inches. Underline those things that are important. Sarah needs to determine if a stack of 6 by 6 notepads will fit in the bottom of the box. Okay, so she's got a 6 by 6 notepad that she wants to fit in the bottom of that box. Each side is 6 inches, right? Okay. And we're talking about a cube here. Complete the sentence below by choosing the correct responses from the drop-down menus, okay? Let's look at the cube, and let's see if this is going to fit in this cube. Here's our box. It's in the form of a cube. What we do know is that the volume is equal to 64 cubic inches. Now, when we're talking about the volume, we know that if it's a cube, all the sides are the same. I'm going to call them S because they're all the same. We know the volume of a box or rectangular solid will be length times width times height. And we know that this is supposed to be a cube. I'm trying to look to see. It should be a cube. All it doesn't say it is a cube. Okay, well, if the length and the width and the height are all the same, that would be side times side times side, which is side cubed. It tells us that our volume, and we're going to plug it in, is 64. So we need to find the length of one of these sides, 64. I need to find the cube root to get this down to just the side length. Let's take the cube root of 64. And when I do that, my side length is going to be 4. So if each side is 4 inches, that means that I'm not going to be able to lay down that 6 by 6 inch note in the bottom of it, will I? It's going to be 2 inches too short on all sides right here. So Sarah can determine the value of Y by finding the cube of the volume, the cube root of the volume. That's what we did here, didn't we? Cube root of the volume. The value of Y is, we decided, 4 inches. Therefore, the notepads will not fit on the bottom of the gift box. Will not fit.